Well, for everybody, this is the new one. Nobody else knows about this. First time on YouTube. BULLEN. Look at the new BULLEN. Let's have a look at it. Here's the old, I'd say this is the old toilet block or the old goods shed. Wait for it. There's the old door frame. Now look at this. It's all been painted. Yes, that decrepit old railway station of BULLEN. Let's have a look at it, people. It's only been painted this week. Isn't this fantastic? New guttering. John Holland, you've finally done something nice. Open this up. It's painted blue. Somebody stole the old fireplace. I'm going to call them bastards. There's no windows in here. I'd say the windows have probably been taken out to get refurbished. There's beautiful old sandstone. Oh no, it's perspex. There's perspex there. So I wouldn't be surprised if the windows have been taken away, and looks like they're cleaning this up to fix it all up. So let's just start here at this door. There's the old door the station master would have had to go into his kerosene room or parcels office. It's got perspex on it, it's unbelievable. And then we walk into the old waiting room. This is once where I found a dead kangaroo when I did the surveys out in 1995. So the old fireplace is gone. Hopefully they're going to bring that back. They haven't painted in here yet, and they're going to fix up all that. So obviously someone's been here. I'd say they're doing this. I'll do it this way. I'll do a 360. I'll walk around. So there's the doorway. There's that wall. And then we've got that wall, which is out there looking onto Castlereagh Highway. And yes, it does have perspex. Yeah, I come here 20 years ago, I found a dead kangaroo in there. This here was obviously you had the telephone, there's a telephone socket there. This must have been the old power room, because where they had everything bolted into the walls. They're giving that a coat of paint. They've got one door there, and look, they've even made a fresh door chock. And they're painting it. So I would love to see, and perspex there again, and the architraves are getting done. Let's have a look. See, there's the original architraves. These big, they're the same as Riverston, for an example, or Windsor, and the big corrugated with the light fitting up there, used to be up there. I think John Holland must be doing all this up. And so it should be. It was such an eyesore for so long, in so many train videos. And there's the old railway line, or rusty pole, that used to be used by the station master. And there's just a drowned drain, soaking pit. There's no water tank here, which is a waste of water. Yes, that is an old rail. And that is a, you're going to love this one, 1879. 1879, New South Wales Government Railways. So that's how old that bit of railway line is, 1879. It's a bit of trivial history. What a waste of water. All that guttering just to throw it into the ground. I think this will make a lovely coffee shop. And there's your bus stop out there because you don't get a train. Lights flashing. And I made a lovely garden bed with an air vent around there. So the air still goes underneath the building. Nicely done, John Holland. Congratulations. If it is John Holland or somebody, leave me a comment. If you know who's doing all this, you're doing a lovely job. The new look of BULLEN. Absolutely smashingly great. New guttering. It's about time somebody took some care of it. Our pride and our history. Our heritage. Thank you to whoever's doing it. Thank you. Mr. Hominoid. Hominoidsaustralia@gmail.com. Thank you.